Understanding Simmer on Low, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common cooking-related phrase in English, simmer on low. This phrase is often found in recipes and cooking instructions, and understanding it can be very helpful not just in the kitchen, but also in enhancing your English vocabulary. Let's dive in. Simmer on low is a phrase that combines two key cooking terms, simmer and low. Let's understand each part. Simmer. This term refers to a cooking method where food is cooked in liquid at a temperature just below boiling. You'll see small bubbles forming and gently rising to the surface. Low. In cooking, low refers to the heat level. It means using a low or minimal amount of heat. Now, let's talk about when and how this phrase is used in cooking. When, simmer on low, is commonly used in recipes that require slow cooking, like soups, stews, or sauces. How? To simmer on low, you first bring the food to a boil, then reduce the heat until you see gentle bubbles. It's about maintaining a delicate balance to cook the food slowly and evenly. Understanding phrases like simmer on low is not only crucial for following recipes but also for grasping the nuances of English. Contextual learning. Phrases like this teach you about context-specific language, very useful in everyday conversations. Cultural insight. Cooking terms often reflect a culture's cuisine and lifestyle, giving you a deeper understanding of English-speaking cultures. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, simmer on low, and adds a flavorful touch to your English learning journey. Happy cooking and learning, and see you in the next video.